Buy Nothing project rules are simple. Post anything you'd like to give away, lend, or share amongst neighbors, and ask for anything you'd like to receive. Items are rehomed each day, leaving a positive environmental impact and social impact.
This thing you had in the corner that you totally forgot about and weren't using, suddenly somebody else can use it. People give away like empty jars. No gift is too small because somebody will use those empty jars for candles, to make candles, or to store beads, or, to do something.
Do something like start your own business. Courtney Jost was gifted hundreds of jars from Cotton's mother.
I started a little side business, kind of started with indoor houseplants and houseplant propagations, and from there it kind of grew into a business that I own.
Through the support of the Buy Nothing community, she grows and sells her own plants and mushrooms through her company, LoreLune Leaves.
This is like my mason jar stash.
So many things people have given me for the business, like all the mason jars that I've had, which is just a free resource. People are so kind with giving gifts and recommendations. People will even offer their services like, hey, I work in this industry, I might hold a workshop on this for anybody interested.
Foraging plants and foraging community.
It's like exciting because you feel like you're part of a community. Even if you're doing a porch pickup or a porch drop off, people leave little notes and recommendations and do these workshops online. It's very connected, even though it's a bit limited right now.
One gift at a time. For Spectrum News, I'm Taylor Bruck.
So I wanted to end this by saying thank you to Taylor Bruck TV and Spectrum One News. Check out your local Buy Nothing project to give back and to network with your community. And thank you so much for my local community for everything you've done for me. I will be doing some free foraging workshops coming up soon for Clevelanders, and there will also be tons of that content on my YouTube channel. So if what you saw today and if what you see on my channel interests you, then please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube and my email list, and I will be in touch.